Welcome back to Around the Armstrong Table. Today, it's all about soup season with a delicious butternut squash soup. Can't wait to show you this one. Hey, before we get this soup started, guys, make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and follow me for more recipes. So to get this one started off, the first thing we're gonna need is the butternut squash. And you wanna get the squash cut in half and get everything all cleaned out because we're gonna roast this in the oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour with all the other delicious veggies, including extra large cherry tomatoes that we're gonna cut in half. We're also gonna bring in a red bell pepper. That's gonna add some sweetness in the background of the soup, and I mean the flavor is great. We're also gonna include one whole head of garlic, and we're gonna dice that in half. And the nice thing, all of this is gonna be going on some parchment paper, and like I said earlier, put in the oven, and it's just going to be absolutely delicious when everything is done. Also added some shallots to this, and that's going to add some nice flavor as well. So we're going to get this all on a sheet pan and get some avocado oil on top of everything, and then we're going to season it up with some salt, some pepper, some smoked paprika, and also some onion powder. And I listed the ingredients just briefly there so you can see everything that's going to go into this soup. And once you get into the oven, you want everything to just roast, and oh man, when you get that smell permeating through the kitchen, it's going to be just absolutely tasty. And I can't wait for you guys to make this soup, because really anybody can make it. It's a set it and forget it type of meal, and it works absolutely perfect. So go ahead and get that in the oven. Like I said, roast it for 1 hour. And when you come back, we're gonna get everything put into the blender, and that's where the magic starts to happen, okay? So you get everything scooped out. Once you've let it cool off, okay? Make sure you let it cool off. Get the garlic, the shallots, the tomatoes, everything in there. And then you wanna get some liquid in there. So I used a half a cup of chicken broth, and I used the unsalted chicken broth. And that'll help so you can control your seasoning yourself. Get everything all blended up and make sure that it's nicely blended, really smooth, okay? So again, this soup is simple, but again, you want to make sure you just keep it easy for you, make it work. Guys, at this time, again, please, if you're watching the video at this point, make sure you hit the like button, and hit the bell so you get notifications when there's more videos coming out, and subscribe to the channel, okay? You want to keep these videos going. It's free. Come on, you got to do it. So once you get everything blended up, you want to take a pot and you get it into the pot, okay? Infuse the same seasonings that I used before, which is going to be the salt, the pepper, the smoked paprika, and also you want to add that garlic powder. Taste everything to make sure it's up to your taste. Make sure it's not too salty, anything along those lines. Next, to finish it off, add some heavy cream. And come on, man, just look at that. It's exactly what you want. It's glistening, it's beautiful, it's smooth, and just like that, it's done. And you get this all plated up. You can pair this with a sandwich if you want. You can pair it with some soup, with a salad if you want. Really anything. This is one of my favorite things to make. I'm gonna top it off with a little more heavy cream, just to have that drizzle on there, infuse a little bit more of that creaminess. And then of course, you know I gotta add some fresh chives. I got those all chopped up for garnish. But this is a very simple, delicious soup, and it's all veggies. So if you don't like dairy, that's a different story. You don't have to actually add the heavy cream in there. You just keep it simple. But this is my version of a delicious butternut squash soup for the holidays and for soup season. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you for spending some time with me today. Hope you have a good one.